door handles and the locks on them. I don't know what that was. Veise was nice enough to send me a keyed entry doorknob. All we got on the box is some contact support and just some shipping stickers. Opening it up, we have the doorknobs. That is the big thing, along with instructions. Yes, instructions, with a link to a video too. Looks like we also have screws. Yeah, a template. I imagine that's for helping you to install the handle. And it looks like the door thing itself. I imagine all blue-collared men are really disappointed in me right now, but I don't know door anatomy terms. There's also the keys. That's pretty important too. So here is the handles, or the knobs. Come apart like that. I think you line them up to screw them into the door that you want. There's the screws that you would use also to begin with. Only other things I don't think I mentioned is these things that you put into the wall or your door frame so you can lock it up and keep it shut with the this turns well. Let me try locking it up. What about that? Does that still does that? I don't know if it has to be attached. Let me try. Hold on. Me. Oh, well, now they're locked. But if I turn that, oh, look at that. No, turning it. There we go. And then turning it this way. Locked. Turning it back. There we go. This video has just turned into me playing with an uninstalled door handle. I think the stainless steel makes it look good. It would work well in a nice home with a similar theme or style. It just might take a bit to figure out how to install it if you're a first-time installer. Maybe it's simple than I realized, but thanks again to Veise for sending me this. Great option. Try it out.